In this tutorial I will show you how to create such photo manipulation in Photoshop. Create new document. From File select Place Embedded to add image. Select Quick Selection tool. Select Subject. Then select and mask. Refine hair. Click on Decontaminate colors. Delete this layer. Select image layer and follow the process. Select mask layer. Press Ctrl+I. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Select brush tool and remove unwanted stroke. Select image layer. Select rectangular marquee tool and make rectangle on eyes portion. Press Ctrl+J to make copy. Drag it away. Now add flower image. Place it accordingly. Select eyes layer. Remove unwanted part using Quick Selection tool. From Layer Style add Drop Shadow. Follow settings. Select Flower layer and add Drop Shadow. Add new layer. Using elliptical marquee tool make circle. From adjustment layer add gradient. Follow settings. Select background layer and add gradient. Add new layer. Select brush tool and follow the process. Set opacity. Select top layer and add clouds. Place it accordingly. That's it. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments.